Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles and grow a garden prismatic. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients: 2 units of flour, 1 unit of sugar, 1 egg, and 1 unit of milk. Make sure you also have a waffle iron and a mixing bowl ready. Head over to the kitchen area in Prismatic, as this is where all your culinary crafting will take place. Having everything prepared beforehand makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now that you have all your ingredients, it's time to prepare the batter. Place the 2 units of flour, 1 unit of sugar, 1 egg, and 1 unit of milk into your mixing bowl. Stir everything together thoroughly. You want to achieve a smooth, lump-free consistency. The batter should be easily pourable, not too thick or too thin, ensuring perfect waffles every time. With your batter ready, it's time to cook. First, place your waffle iron onto a heat source within the Prismatic game world. Once the iron is hot, carefully pour a small amount of your prepared batter into the center. Close the waffle iron and let it cook. You'll know it's done when it turns a beautiful golden brown, which usually takes around 30 seconds. Be careful not to overcook them. Once your waffle is perfectly cooked, carefully remove it from the waffle iron. You can use a spatula to gently lift it out without damaging its shape. Now comes the fun part: adding your favorite toppings. Drizzle some syrup, add fresh fruit, or whatever you prefer and grow a garden prismatic. Take a moment to enjoy your delicious, homemade waffle. Great job, chef.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.